Hey, good morning guys, it's Andy from Motos, Kids, and Coffee. Today might be the last ride of my 2004 Bullet 500. The last ride for me. Let me tell you why, but stick around and watch a full video and I'll explain all about it.
Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
I'm gonna go meet a fellow rider today. He reached out on one of these Facebook places. He wanted to get together. He's a fellow Royal Enfield enthusiast. He has a Meteor 350. His name is Raj. I got my Bullet 500. Actually, I have a few Bullet 500s. And we're gonna get together. He's pretty local. We'll go for a little bit of a ride today. I'm pretty excited, and he seemed a really cool guy. So I always like doing group rides with fellow riders. And we're gonna go meet him here in a little bit. The reason I am thinking that this is going to be the last ride of my Bullet 500, I have another one. I bought a Project Bobber that you can take a look at the link here, right here. I think it's really cool, and actually that's more my style. I really like my 2004 Bullet 500. His name's Alex. You can see me actually get the video here. Very cool people that I got it from. I got it up and running. Actually, I had to get it up and running twice. Bad plugs and so forth, and just did a full tune-up, and now it's running fine. My daughters reached out to me and they said that they wanted to learn how to ride motorcycles. And as much as I love the Bullet 500, it is a little top heavy, it has drum brakes, and it's just not the best first motorcycle for them. I'm out of room. Put those things together. This motorcycle is probably not the motorcycle for them that I'm going to teach them on. I'm going to try and find a Honda Grom, Z125 by Kawasaki, Benelli TNT 135, one of those little kind of mini bikes. I think that would be a good motorcycle to teach them on. They're a little shorter in stature, so it will probably more suit them to learn how to ride a motorcycle. So I think I'm either going to sell or trade the Bullet 500. It's been a great motorcycle. It's like 1,000 miles on it. 1,065 is what was on there right now, and it's been great. But I want to get my Project Bobber running. It's getting no sparks still. I've kind of narrowed it down, but I need to do a little work on that, and that's going to be my main Bullet motorcycle. So again, stick around. Let's go meet Raj. We'll go do a little group ride today, and we'll see how that goes. So I checked tire pressure, checked oil. Gonna give it a little bit of a clean. My California car duster. I'll actually use some other things to clean off too. I really like these. I don't know, does anyone else use California car dusters? I do. Actually, I got some quick detailer that I'm going to use. I actually like this stuff a lot too. This one's actually Harley Davidson quick detailer. Don't get too mad. Smells good like cinnamon. Gets rid of all the fingerprint marks and that kind of stuff. All right, there it is. One last time, one last look around. 2004 Royal Enfield Bullet 500. In that green. 1,000 miles is as stock as they get. Cleaned off with detailer. Standard exhaust, drum brakes, checked oil pressure, tire pressure, sorry, oil level, tire pressure, and like I said, 1,000 miles, 1,069 miles. This does have electric start, but it, like most Bullets, has problems with it, so kickstart is the way to go on this one. Okay, we're off to go meet Raj. I hope the bike starts. Like I said, this is probably gonna be my last ride with the Bullet. I think I got a monkey with the timing a little bit because I was tweaking it a little bit, taking a look at it. and it's kind of like backfiring a little. So I want to take a look at the timing a little. But yeah, that's it. We'll wait till he gets here and go for a ride with Raj. It's that time. We said we're gonna meet at 8:30. It's 8:30. Hopefully he gets here soon. Well, I think my buddy Raj is here. We'll go see him.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Hello, my friend. How are you? Good to see you.
Sorry about that. It's a little late.
It's okay.
Thank you for all that.
Oh my goodness gracious. Here's Raj again. We'll do this. Thank you, my
Hi,
friend.
buddy.
Hello, hello. Look at that meteor. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna turn it around. It's beautiful. Tell me about it. What year is it and what color is it? And
2022
yeah?
and navy blue color,
Oh, beautiful.
350 cc.
Yes.
Imported. I mean, directly from India.
Yeah.
Took 4 months.
It took you 4 months. Where did you get it from?
The cycle of Silver Spring.
That's where. So
That dude is
he
amazing.
knows me. He knows me pretty good. Yeah. Jeremy.
Yeah, German. And he's actually getting 350 classic for me.
I know, that's for you.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I like your vest.
Yeah,
We
bought it.
dressed the same today.
Huh?
We dressed the same.
Yeah. I just
great.
bought this last week.
Did you?
Yeah, I want something, so I was walking past the Banana
Yeah.
Republic
Yeah.
Double Mall,
Yeah.
and they have this, and they didn't have my size, so I ordered shipped it.
Oh, really?
I was
Okay.
like, I much need that one.
All right.
Cycle, definitely.
All right. Well, we'll go for a little ride, a little twisty, but not bad.
No.
And it'll be
Perfect,
beautiful. You'll see.
Perfect.
All right.
Same way like you are.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Let's get a picture.
So, that's a private?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So it's private houses or what?
Yeah.
But any can buy a house here?
Sure. Yeah, it's called Gibson Island.
Wow. I mean, I came to Downs Park.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have? That's good. That part's beautiful. Close to. We're gonna go down this little road. You'll see. And we'll clean you up in a little bit. All right.